There you go. With the modal should, through which you can make positive, negative, and interrogative sentences. There are different situations in which you can use the word should. To show what is right, to say that something is expected, to give advice, and to show obligation. Positive sentence structure with should. Subject plus should plus verb plus predicate. I should read every week. I should exercise more often. I should exercise more often. I should start a new channel. I should start a new channel. I should play games. I should play games. I should spend more time with my family. I should spend more time with my family. I should work hard. I should work hard. You should read every week. You should wear a mask every day. You should wear a mask every day. You should get a new haircut. You should get a new haircut. You should eat more fruits. You should eat more fruits. You should watch the new movie of Tom Cruise. You should watch the new movie of Tom Cruise. You should stand in the queue. You should stand in the queue. We should read every week. We should talk to our neighbors. We should talk to our neighbors. We should be punctual. We should be punctual. We should avoid drinking alcohol. We should avoid drinking alcohol. We should practice English regularly. We should practice English regularly. We should smile at the strangers. We should smile at the strangers. They should read every week. They should speak politely to the students. They should speak politely to the students. They should use laptops. They should use laptops. They should submit the letter to the teacher. They should submit the letter to the teacher. They should park their cars here. They should park their cars here. They should use a black pen in the examination. They should use a black pen in the examination. Negative sentence structure with should. I shouldn't read every week. I shouldn't exercise more often. I shouldn't exercise more often. I shouldn't start a new channel. I shouldn't start a new channel. I shouldn't play games. I shouldn't play games. I shouldn't spend more time with my friends. I shouldn't spend more time with my friends. I shouldn't smoke. I shouldn't smoke. You shouldn't read every week. You shouldn't jump the signal. You shouldn't jump the signal. You shouldn't speak loudly in the library. You shouldn't speak loudly in the library. You shouldn't carry your phones to the class. You shouldn't carry your phones to the class. You shouldn't supply illegal items. You shouldn't supply illegal items. You shouldn't buy this phone. You shouldn't buy this phone. We shouldn't read every week. We shouldn't park in front of the school. We shouldn't park in front of the school. We shouldn't jump the signal. We shouldn't jump the signal. We shouldn't eat during the lecture. We shouldn't eat during the lecture. We shouldn't drive on the pavement. We shouldn't drive on the pavement. We shouldn't laugh at others. We shouldn't laugh at others. They shouldn't read every week. They shouldn't speak in other language. They shouldn't speak in other language. They shouldn't write on the table. They shouldn't write on the table. They shouldn't work for more hours. They shouldn't work for more hours. They shouldn't wear fancy chains to school. They shouldn't wear fancy chains to school. They shouldn't iron their clothes now. They shouldn't iron their clothes now. Interrogative sentence structure with should. Should, subject, verb, predicate. Should I rent an apartment? Should I rent an apartment? Should you rent an apartment? Should you rent an apartment? Should we rent an apartment? Should we rent an apartment? Should they rent an apartment? Should they rent an apartment? Should he rent an apartment? Should he rent an apartment? Should she rent an apartment? Should she rent an apartment? Should it rent an apartment? Should it rent an apartment? Should I buy this dress? Should I buy this dress? What should I study for the test? What should I study for the test? What should I take along with me? What should I take along with me? Should he clean the room? Should he clean the room? Should we do the laundry? Should we do the laundry? Should we do the dishes? Should we do the dishes? Should I take this pen? Should I take this pen? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow us on our Instagram.